We're at Dude Ranch, guys, South Dakota. Beautiful, beautiful day.
Another free campsite, campground. I don't like calling them campgrounds because they're actually just campsites. I think campground is misleading. People think there's pads, and this is like government land. I don't know if the county or the state owns this, but it's a public boat ramp. And it does have picnic tables, which we'll show all that later. We just literally just got here and set up, but either way, it is free. And we found a cow. If I can find it in the... Yeah, I see the cow. Do y'all see the cow? Hang on. Be patient. Be patient. We're almost there. See the cow? Moo. Oh, it's actually running. Did you hear my moo? It really is running down the hill. Anyway, I'm assuming all that over there is private land. Because, where's it at? Right there. There is a house there, which we're not that close to. We just zoomed in, but there is fencing, so that's probably all private land. But where we're sitting, right here, is free camping. A little bit later, when it cools down a little bit, we'll show you the rest of it. Rusty! Boop. What are you doing? Yep, that's about all you get, ain't it? One good look. That was a dragonfly, in case you was wondering what I was pointing it at.
Now we know. We're still at Dude Ranch. We switched locations to the sunny side, but since Wayne put down the awning,
The dirty awning. Look how nasty
well,
it is. It's pretty nasty.
yeah, that's all right.
I'll scrub it.
Something died in there.
That's where you don't put them up wet. They get all moldy looking.
Yeah, but
That's a
at
good
least
tip.
it worked.
Always dry your awnings out before you put them up, or they'll look like this.
You really can't see it because I think it's dark, the contrast of the sun. But look at this water. We went out on the little dock. There's a little dock out there. We'll show you guys later, but it's pretty nice. But the breeze is what's really saving us tonight. Or today is 100 degrees, but in the shade with the breeze, it feels great.
The day is coming to an end. We're just sitting here relaxing. It was a hot one today too, so we're glad to be outside in the cool shade. Oh, and a bunch of the cows are back. Not just one cow, not two cows, but moo, bunch of cows. And can't forget old Krusty. He hears something. He's all perked up now. Oh, Krusty Rusty. He's enjoying it. He got a little hot today, but I think he feels better now. We missed the sunset because we had, oh yeah, over here it's got full, didn't it?
Yeah. There's lots of people.
Yeah, it filled up real fast.
Yep.
But this is a free site, so it's going to happen. And we got one guy, he's running his, well, he's making electricity over there. We'll just say that. Anyhow, I think we're going to end the day right here. Anything you want to say?
Nope. This
Oh,
is
nope.
No, not really. I mean, it's just beautiful. Another beautiful, quote from Felicia. Once it got cooler, now that it's cooler, man, fantastic. So, living the life. Gotta go chase Rusty.
I gotta go get Rusty. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. There was 2 deer there, but I don't know where the other one's at. Well, we've made it to our next stop, our next camping area. You have to excuse me, huffing and puffing. It's a little warm today, but it's worth it. We're still in South Dakota. We've come to another one of my old spots I like to go to. I'm waiting here to see if you can guess where I'm at. I'm gonna give you about 5 more seconds to try to guess where I'm at. There's a camper. You can hear our generator. Our generator's doing great. We got it running right now. Because I got the refrigerator for right now, running off the generator to, save some of our gas, propane. And I'm running the box fan to keep it cool in there. But anywho, there she is staring out the window. It's dark in there, you don't even show up.
It's so pretty.
Yep. So, I'm fixing to show you where we are today. We're probably gonna stay here about 3 days. Yes, back at the Badlands. It's awesome, I love it here. I remember the first time I ever came here, I was just blown away. It was so perfect, so beautiful. Isn't this cool? I know all of y'all have seen this area. You've been to it yourself and everything. I mean, I just love coming here. It's so beautiful here. And there's quite a few campers here. There always is. If you see on the horizon, if you look that way, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One over there. There's some more. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 and a couple tents. But you're spaced so far away, you don't even notice each other. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love the way the clouds leave shadows. See that dark spot out there? That's a shadow from a cloud. Yes, this place is awesome. I love it. Anywho, she's in there at the table. I think she's got a little too hot or something. She don't feel good today. Yeah. There she is waving. Yep. Pretty nice. It's been pretty warm. It's been well over 95 degrees, sometimes 100 every day. That heat wave going across the nation, it's everywhere. We tried to outrun it. Haven't been able to do it, so we're just gonna hang out here, and it should be cooling off next day or two. Supposed to get back down to the low 80s. And in this area, in the high 50s at night, so it's gonna be perfect. So we're just gonna hold up here for a day or two and just let this old heat pass us. But I'm gonna pause this, finish getting the old camper set up and get it settled in, make it feel like home, and we'll come back and talk to you. Looks like a what?
Like what do they call it? Like a red moon almost?
Mm-hmm. Our day is coming to an end. Watching the sunset. The sky's a little hazy, so we don't get that bright orange glow. We're just getting to see the sun. It looks pretty cool. On here though, it looks like pink. That's weird. But that's the sun we're staring at right now. It actually looks like an orange dot in the sky, but on the screen it looks pink. That's pretty cool. First time I've ever seen the sun look like that. Anywho, we're ending the day. Gonna settle in and we'll be back tomorrow. What are we doing? We just got up, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Cheers. There's more lightning right behind you.
Yeah. So it's pretty early in the morning. We just woke up. Woke up to a pretty good storm, didn't we?
Man, the camper was rocking.
Well, it's pretty common in this area.
Yeah,
So,
but it felt great. I mean, I immediately turned off my fan.
if you come here, you have to expect them. Storms are pretty, I want to say harsh, but I don't want to. They're pretty rough. The wind gets pretty violent.
Well, and they're never. I'm a weather app watcher, so the weather app shows 0 of the actual forecast, but it cools it down so fast into such a beautiful temperature.
I think the storm went behind us. I don't know, because it's like lightning and everything back there. But I think, I'm not a meteorologist or anything like that, but I think this is one of them areas that kind of creates its own weather. Because it was saying like no rain, no blah blah blah, and it come a pretty decent storm this morning.
Yeah, but it was quick. I mean, what, 20 minutes maybe?
Yeah.
Winds started shaking, and then the rain, and then Rusty was crying, and then it was gone.
It's a pretty common event here.
Yeah.
Every time I've come, I've experienced this storm every time. It just blows through real quick.
Yeah.
Usually you get like hard winds, and then rain, and then it mellows out.
Yeah.
We missed the sunrise though. That's what they don't show good on here. It's like orangey over there, but the sunrise doesn't happen. There's still a bunch of campers here. The whole rim's full, like always. We got some tenters, a tenter, guy on a motorcycle, her big old head, a van, us. Oh, missing all the cool lightning. Quit spinning in circles. Anyhow, yeah, if you come here, expect to experience a storm. And
Yeah, don't park too close to the edge.
well, you can, as most people do, but
The tenters I could hear them all gather up this morning when it started. They were too close.
I had an experience once where I don't get on the very edge anymore. It was a little spooky. But anyway, it's everything's wet, so don't have that dry, dusty look no more. I think it looks a lot cooler down there. Pretty neat.